guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so round. Guys, I've been putting on weight. Guys, I've been putting on happy weight. Help me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So this video has been a long time coming. I have been working on this bedroom for so freaking long. I'm so happy to be able to share it because I was working towards a deadline, and that deadline is today. This video is actually sponsored by DESENIO. DESENIO are a poster and prints company that specialize in a lot of different cool prints. Most of the artwork inspiration that you probably see on Pinterest and things like Instagram are probably from DESENIO, and I've been a fan of them for years. So it's so excited to be able to work with them. I'm going to show you some of the prints that I got from DESENIO. So the prints come in this big box. So in the box, you will get the posters or the prints, also frames if you do order them. So these are the cool prints that I got. I think the inspiration of the prints that I was going for were very monochrome. I love inspirational words. I love flowers. I love things that are soft, and I really wanted my space to be a very soft and gentle place to be in. I think I went a bit crazy on the website. I picked out a lot of prints. You can choose the size of the frame. So I got a few of the smallest ones and a few of the medium ones, but on the website they have different sizes. So I use command strips to mount the pictures on my wall. I decided to go with 4 prints above my bed just because I like it like that. No, I decided to go with 4 prints above my bed with the help of my decorator, who suggested that I go for the prints above my bed. I was going to actually put them above my vanity mirror, but he said that the wall would look amazing if it was kept plain and to kind of keep all of the stuff on one wall kind of thing, if that makes sense. I got 2 of the frames from DESENIO and another 2 of the frames from IKEA, but once you see them up there, they look seamless together. You can't tell which ones are which. So yeah, I decided to put the 4 prints on my headboard, on top of my headboard. Also put some prints in my wardrobe, which I'm going to tell you guys about in a little while, which is like my favorite thing in this whole room is my wardrobe. It is incredible. But yeah, I decided to put some prints in my wardrobe on my side table, just so everything is kind of fluid. Everything kind of runs into one. I'm actually so proud of this bedroom. So for the DESENIO prints, I've managed to get you guys 25% off. You guys can shop anything on the website, excluding the frames and excluding some exclusive prints. But most of the stuff on the website, you can get 25% off of it. And the offer runs out on the 1st of August. If I was you, I'd get looking. The prints are very affordable. Some of the prints I got were like £3. Other prints were like £8. You can knock yourself out basically. So let me show you guys in detail more of my room, my safe haven, and I'm so obsessed with it. Finally sitting down to actually enjoy it because I've been working on this for probably about 2 months. I know, ridiculous. Not consistently, but me and Excellent Finish, who made my wardrobe and done my curtains and did my shoe rack and basically did everything in here. We've been working on this for ages, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's go. Okay, so I'm actually going to start off with showing you guys my prints. So we've got the first one here and it says beauty. I love that because I feel like my room is going to be beautiful. What are you talking about, girl? What are you talking about? The reason I chose this piece is because I think beauty is a word that encompasses a lot of the things that I believe in. I believe in beauty. I believe in beauty in myself. I believe in beauty in other people. I believe in beauty in art, in decor. I'm very artistic, if you guys didn't know. I studied fashion design in university. As long as I can remember, I've been really creative and just like wanting to like create stuff. I do get to do it on YouTube, but to a certain degree. So when I do like lookbooks and stuff and the way I edit my videos, you can kind of see it. But beauty is just something that I am obsessed with and I love it. And this one just reminds me of love. And this is my boyfriend. This isn't me, but it feels like it's me, if that makes sense. Like a woman kissing the man's neck, and this is how me and my boyfriend are most of the time, to be honest. So I love that. Then down here, it says do it with love, and I believe that everything that you do, it should be done by love. I think the greatest commandment is love, and I think we should all do things that we are passionate about and that we genuinely love and that give us passion, that give us vim, and so that's why I chose that piece. The last one down there says sometimes you win and sometimes you learn, which I absolutely love, because yes, we all want to win, yes, or we all want to succeed and stuff like that, but you're not always going to win. Like sometimes you're gonna take an L, but when you take an L, make that L a lesson, okay? Turn your L's into lessons, and that's why I chose that piece down there. So yeah, this is my bed. I got this bed as soon as I did the flooring. Shout out Excellent Finish for the flooring as well. I got the bed when I did the flooring, and I chose it off eBay, and I don't absolutely love it, so I should be getting a new bed very, very soon, maybe next week. So I'm changing that. I basically just want to say that this room is not completely done, and everything that I've got in here isn't how it's going to be. So I just wanted you guys to know that. I just think that there's more luxury that I can get with a bed, and this is not it, but I love it and it does the job. I got these side tables from very.co.uk. They were 100 and something pounds each. I actually bought 2 before, and I had to sell them on my Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat if you're not already. I do sell a lot of stuff and just like talk to you guys like really freely. But yeah, I love this. Okay, so this lamp is from very.co.uk as well. I actually do have the matching chandeliers to put up on my ceiling, but it's a hard job, and I don't think they put something in the box that they're supposed to include, the ceiling bracket. So I'm gonna have to do that next week or something, so that's not done. Beautiful matching chandelier, and I'm gonna show you in a second what that looks like. But these are the side tables, very beautiful, from very.co.uk. I got these set of faux flowers from Primark, which is really, really beautiful. Got my water because the girl is always because your girl thirsty. I always have my water. Then I've got the print on the back, and it's just a picture of a naked woman. This is obviously from DESENIO as well. I love the frame, it's silver. DESENIO do silver, white, black, wood, and another color as well. So this is silver, it's really pretty. I think it goes nice with my mirror. The mirror on the back is from IKEA. I did want to put it up on the wall, but because I'm getting a new bed, I don't want to attach it just yet. So this is a really pretty mirror from IKEA. Okay, so this is one of my favorite spaces in the room. I mean, every space is absolutely beautiful, but this is my shoe rack, and I'm going to show you guys what it looked like before. I'm actually going to show you guys the before and after of this whole room at the end, so you guys can actually marvel, because this whole room has been transformed like by the blood of Jesus, I'm telling you. No, I'm joking. But yeah, look, this is my shoe rack. Excellent Finish did a really, really beautiful job with this shoe rack. There's a light in here as well. I get to have all of my favorite shoes. These are not my favorite. I absolutely hate Louboutins. I hate them so much because I've got old now and I'm all about comfort. Like, who cares that they're Loubs, okay? But I'm still gonna keep them because I spent a pretty penny on them. So I think they just look good, but I don't wear them. So yeah, don't be deceived, okay? So yeah, this is my beautiful shoe rack. I absolutely love it. Very convenient. And obviously, like I said, I love the light feature in here. This is by Excellent Finish, who is my decorator. He's amazing. Like, honestly, so amazing. We wasn't even gonna do this whole thing. Like, I can't even tell you guys like how many things we were like, okay, let's just do it. He's always just like, let's just do it, let's do it, let's do it. I'm like, no, we ain't got time. He's like, let's do it, let's do it. Last night he was at my house until 3:30 AM finishing everything off. So shout out to Excellent Finish. You guys check them out. He can literally do anything. Anything you want, he'll do it and better. Like, that's why the business is called Excellent Finish, because he genuinely is excellent. I told him what I wanted and he just did above and beyond. He put an actual partition in the wall, and I'm not technical, so I'm gonna stop here, but this is my beautiful shoe rack, everybody. Right, moving on. So this is a makeshift table that I've put the light on, and that's because the table that I ordered is not coming until tomorrow, but I wanted to film this video and have it out today. So the table that I'm going to be getting is by Lifestyle Furniture. They're on Instagram and they have a beautiful table. I'm going to insert the picture here, what I'm going to actually have the mirror on. So when that comes, I'm going to post it on my Instagram, so you guys check that out when it comes. Really, really excited for that. But this mirror, guys, come on. I've always wanted a vanity. Oh, I'm going to hurt myself. You gonna hurt yourself, child. So this beautiful vanity mirror is from GS Spectrum. Support black owned businesses, and they made me a beautiful custom made mirror, and it has my name right there. Right there, right there, right there. Ew. Oh my god, so exciting. And this is going to be the place where I do my makeup. Like I said, when the actual table comes, it's going to have compartments for makeup and stuff like that. And I also bought myself a little stool. Until tomorrow, this table is going to remain here, so it's not fully complete, but I'm in love with this mirror. It's so bright. What I love about it is that you can actually dim the lights just by dimming it like this. Really cool. And press it on, and off on the side, and obviously there's a cable and the lights come with it. Really beautiful and very much so worth the investment. Absolutely love this mirror. My favorite part. Right guys, last but not least, and I'm so freaking excited to show you guys, but it is my beautiful custom built-in wardrobe, and the guys at Excellent Finish did an excellent job. I'm so gassed, like I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm gonna go right in, and this is a built-in wardrobe. And are you guys ready? Because I am. Okay, what do I open first? Okay, these are sliding doors. Okay, everything you see here was built in. I'm gonna show you guys a quick image of how it looked before, how the bedroom looked before, but this whole thing has been built from scratch. Okay,
it goes all the way to the top.
Yeah,
it's gonna look really nice. I think this is gonna be a new little hotel that we're gonna stay in it.
yes, absolutely.
Little boutique hotel.
Okay, I don't know what to show you guys first, so I'm gonna start with this side. No, welcome to my crib. Ta-da! Guys, oh my god. Okay, let me explain to you something first. Okay, my dream, and since I've lived in this freaking house, yeah, has been to have a place where I can store all of my stuff, because baby girl has so much stuff. I have so much stuff, and I know I'm a hoarder, but I also have a lot of stuff, and I also am sent a lot of stuff, so I just need storage space. And so this wardrobe has literally done above my expectations. I told Excellent Finish that I wanted a wardrobe, I wanted a TV, I wanted space for storage, my suitcases, because I'm always traveling, I don't want to be storing it up in the attic. I want somewhere where I can have everything in one place, and he created this absolutely beautiful, mind-blowing wardrobe for me. Okay, let me tell you guys what the wardrobe is comprised of, okay? The middle section is where the TV is. Also have my sunglasses down here with a sliding drawer, because I've always wanted somewhere to keep my sunglasses. I wear sunglasses like every single day because I'm bougie like that sometimes. But I love how I can see my sunglasses. I have my drawers where I can literally put anything in there, whether it be bed sheets, towels, hair products, face products, all that kind of stuff, books, anything that I want tucked away, I can literally put it in this drawer. Then over here, we have the partition in the middle, which I can basically store whatever I like. I have created a space where I can showcase things so that it's beautiful, because there is a wardrobe here and it does have my clothes. So when I'm watching TV, I don't want to see clutter. I want to see something beautiful. I want to see my stuff displayed in a beautiful way. The boxes at the bottom, I've put like jewelry and stuff in there. So everything here has a place, which is what I absolutely love about this wardrobe. And just the finishing of this wardrobe, I feel like I'm in a hotel now. My room feels like a hotel, and I'm actually so gassed and so excited and so happy about it. So I'm going to show you guys this part of my wardrobe. So these are sliding doors. So basically, they move. Just like that. You can position them any way that you like. I'm not going to show you guys that yet. So this is one side of my wardrobe. I don't know why, but when I was putting my clothes back, I decided to color coordinate them, and it just looks so much better, right? I've got my browns, my caramels, my khakis, my blues, purples, pinks, oranges, and yellows down there. These are more storage boxes that I bought from IKEA, just because I wanted to be able to put stuff in there that I didn't want seen. So I have stuff like hair straighteners, blow dryers, bikinis, stuff that I wear on holiday that I don't actually want in my wardrobe right now on a day-to-day basis. So I store all those stuff in the boxes up there. Let me turn on the light and show you guys, because we have a light in here. Yes, I have lights in my wardrobe. So when everything is off, let me turn all these lights off and show you guys how amazing it looks at night. And like I said, Excellent Finish did everything from scratch. The lighting, the rails, everything by Excellent Finish, and I'm so thankful to him and the team because they did amazing. Let me put the lights back on now. That is that side of the wardrobe. Let me know what you guys think of this wardrobe. So I've got more space at the bottom, so if I wanted to put anything there, I could also put it there as well. So I like everything to be neat and tidy, because if I do want to open this, I want to be able to know where things are and not have them on show. I think for the last few years I've had my clothes on a clothing rail which has been on show. I actually did like that look for a little while, but I think it gives me anxiety when I see all clothes everywhere. Ugh. I don't want to be sleeping in clothes, like I just don't, okay? So this wardrobe is perfect for me. I'm gonna show you guys the other side now. Like I said, these are all sliding doors, so they can go this way or that way. So I'm gonna move them down this way. Ta-da! Again, like I said, a place where I can store my luggage. I actually have 2 more suitcases downstairs I need to put in. So I'm always traveling, so I like to have my suitcases on show where I can see them. Also, from a day-to-day, if I'm going to a shoot or something, I need to grab my suitcase quickly, and I don't want no wahala. I don't want drama, okay? I just want to grab my suitcase and go. All my clothes I've color coordinated. So obviously I've got my reds. I love red, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love red. Blues, whites, creams, nudes, blacks, because I love black. This is my black wardrobe. Like, if I could have my whole wardrobe black, I would, but it's not every day, Adam's family, okay? Sometimes sunny vibes, summertime in the country. But yeah, this is the second part of my wardrobe. One thing I wanted for sure was a lot of wardrobe space. If I could have the whole rail like wardrobe space, I would, but I think this is actually making me be more selective about the stuff that I keep and the stuff that I buy. After I get rid of the stuff that I don't need downstairs, I'm literally gonna have a clear out. Follow my events page. It's called Bloggers Marketplace. You can literally shop your favorite influencers wardrobe. The next event is coming up very, very soon. I'm in the process of planning it, so I'm going to be selling a bunch of stuff that I don't wear anymore at Bloggers Marketplace. Follow that Instagram page and I'll let you guys know when our next event is. So yeah, this is my wardrobe. Like, I'm blown away and I don't know what to say. Even though it's been stressful like getting everything done, I'm so happy with the final result. I just love everything about this wardrobe. It's just amazing. I just love everything about this wardrobe. I know nobody trying to call me. Ooh. And I love my TV. I've actually never had a TV in my bedroom since I have been living here, so it's nice to have a TV. I can catch up on YouTube videos, which I watch every single day. Catch up on my own YouTube videos. It's got Netflix, it's got YouTube. I bought this TV from Curry's, if you guys want to know. It's 32 inches. It's a perfect size for this. Excellent finish. Recommended that I get a 32 inch so that it's not too big, because you don't want it to be the focus of your bedroom. You want it to be like a nice little feature. I'm gonna start inviting people around to my house now because it's a vibe. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm super excited to be in this space. I'm super excited to have my very own wardrobe. I'm really excited to just be able to have a space that I can call my own. If you guys only knew like the drama that I've been like having, like I literally would be like sleeping on the sofa for like a year and a half, and it was so uncomfortable, and I dreamed of the day that I would have my own room. The reason why I didn't have my own room was because my sister was still living here, and now she's married with her husband and have her own house. I got to have the master bedroom and been able to do it up the way that I wanted to do. Oh, I got all makeup on the door already. It's a thing about white. Anyway, don't worry about it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, DESENIO, the prints, check them out. I'm definitely going to be probably buying more. I really love them. I think they're so unique to who I am as a person, and they really speak to my soul. I just like looking at them. So definitely use my 25% discount code. Please give me a big thumbs up. Check out Excellent Finish. The Instagram @ is _excellent finish. That's excellent finish, and honestly my bedroom has been an excellent finish and I can't be happier. So thank you guys at Excellent Finish for helping me decorate this room and make it what it is. Super happy. Support black owned businesses. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Should be out on Sunday. I'm going to be banging out these pep talk videos. This is a project that me and Excellent Finish have been working on for a long time, including the house project as well. Let me know if you want to see more of the house project as well, and what we've been working on and the things that we've been doing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. I am strong and full of life.